Yeah, I'm air frying and I'm using a package of this shake and bake. And I'm cooking, well, there's 8 wings in there and it come 15 to a pack. You want to dry your wings really good. I put a little salt and pepper on them. And I use the bloomin' onion. You can get this off of Amazon, I believe. Because your shake and bake's down in there. And then you just put like 4 in there. And you just shake it a little bit. Turn it upside down. Turn it back. Kind of shake it around. Get some of that off of there. And then put it in your... Well, my air fryer says 400 for 25 minutes. And I'm using the Secura. Secura. That's what I'm using as my air fryer. Yeah, this is my first time. I'll tell you why. 'Cause I got it for my birthday in June last year. And it's my very first time using this air fryer. So it's going to cut off in a few minutes and we're going to see how it comes out. What? You think you need out? What? I cut this wing pieces off, but I save it and I put that in my Instapot for my cats to make chicken broth for them. And then there's might be a little meat on there they can eat. I don't know. Maybe. So don't throw that away if you have animals. You can make broth out of it. I just put salt in there. Salt and water in your Instapot's all you need. It just went off, so we're going to open it up. Oh my goodness, see what it looks like? Maybe, wait a minute. I might want to put a hot pad under that. Yeah, I think I put a hot pad under that. Okay. So slide it out, stick it in that hot pad. Well, that looks good. Let me see. Oh, it does look crispy. I'm going to test it for, take them all out of there. Now, you don't want to put a lot of seasoning on there. Then don't do it like you're, going to deep fry it. Now, see how that come out? Because you are spraying olive oil on. See this? I got a sprayer of olive oil, and you can go spray each one. That helps keep it from sticking. Okay. Let me take a bite, and I'll tell you how it is. Oh my gosh, y'all, that is so perfectly done. Let me show you over here. You'll see I've got my chicken in this shaker. And you're just going to turn it upside down like that. Give it a shake. Turn it back over. And that should be enough seasoning. Let's check our seasoning. Let's see if it's enough. Hard to do it with one hand. Okay, now see that? You want to shake it. Shake most of that off. You don't want a whole lot on there. If you don't think you got enough, you can flip it again. That looks a little better. I flipped it over and shook it and turned it back. And then you still won't shake off. Then you're going to take your chicken and you're going to lay it in here. Lay it in there. I actually think if you put the bigger pieces in the back, because I think it cooks more in the back than it does the front. Now that's not all. That's only like half. So I got to switch them up. I got to fill this. Now if you use this shaker, I'll try to put a link up in the description. It does better, but you want to make sure your chicken's dry before you put it in the shaker. And I added salt and pepper too. So then after you do this, you're going to want to spray it with oil. Let me wash my hand off. Now you're going to want to put olive oil on this, spray it, you know, a little bit. You don't have to saturate it, just kind of spray it. Okay, it's on 400, as high as it goes. Put that back in there. Okay. And I got to put this back there because it does blow hot air out the back. See if I can push it forward a little bit because it does blow hot air out the back. Alright, now, all you do is turn the timer to 25 minutes. I go maybe a little past it. 26 minutes. That's all you do. So easy. And the whole thing will come apart to clean. The whole bottom does. So, only one envelope out of the shake and bake. We'll do 15 or 16. A little bit left in there. So, it'll easily do 16, 17 wings. But you must cut the end pieces off. This is the air fryer I'm using. And I've had it since last June. This is the first time I used it. And it does heat up the house, so in the summertime you could put it outside because it's blowing hot air out the back here. See that thing moving? And I want to have me some fried chicken. You want to say bye? Senna, say bye. Say we're going to eat some chicken. Say bye, I'm going to eat chicken. Bye. Hi. Yen and Senna up here playing. Both of them up here. I think Yen was up here sleeping first. Then Senna got up here. Is Senna roosting you out, Yen? Huh? Is he still in your spot? Is he? I think Senna's still in Yen's spot. Hey, Yen. Hi, Senna. Senna's got a little bit of orange on his face now, around his eye.